Hi, this is Pranav Guhathakurta from Sri Venkateshwar International School. With me is Miss Ushma Kapoor. She is the activity in charge of the school. Ma'am, would like to have your advice and feedback on today's workshop on design, which was done for Gurukul School of Design.
We would like to thank EduTV for organizing this workshop with Gurukul School of Design in our premises today. We have had a wonderful session with Mr. Andre Bichare. This was one of the most creative, innovative and useful workshop wherein students got their queries answered so thoughtfully and so creatively. We always had this conservative thinking that designing was just limited. Specifically, our students and our culture gives this kind of a thinking that designing is restricted just to clothes or accessories. But Mr. Andre opened up so many avenues for students where he talked about integrating designing with pottery, with marketing, with virtual dressing, with advertisements. Designing could be with writing, with psychology. So children had so much of an exposure and they realized that it's not just about limiting yourself to choosing a career, but it is about continuously evolving yourself and learning on the path that is called life.